Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the features of the Skcoipsra Fire Pit Ring, a robust 42-inch outer and 37-inch inner DIY fire pit insert perfect for your outdoor wood-burning needs. Crafted from high-quality, thickened steel, this fire pit ring boasts extra steel reinforcement at the bottom for enhanced stability, and its surface is coated with a high-temperature, rust-resistant powder, ensuring durability and longevity. With a spacious design, it offers an inside diameter of 37 inches and an outside diameter of 42 inches, providing ample room for a cozy campfire experience. The smooth edges of this heavy-duty steel ring are designed to prevent scratches during use, making it a safe choice for any setting. Versatile and adaptable, this metal fire pit is ideal for gardens, patios, and camping, offering the flexibility to be used on the ground or embedded. Plus, its easy installation means you can set it up yourself without the need for professional help or tools. So, whether you're planning a backyard gathering or a camping trip, the Skcoipsra Fire Pit Ring is your go-to choice for a reliable and enjoyable outdoor fire experience. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.